Guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 60 divided by 5 times 7 minus 3 in parentheses is equals to, now 7 minus 3 gives us 4. Now 5 times 4 gives us 20. Now 60 divided by 20 is equals to 3. But actually this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics, we have to solve this math expression like this. First parentheses, then multiplication and division, and as we know, multiplication and division are equally important. So 7 minus 3 gives us 4. Now let's rewrite the expression 60 divided by 5, and we have a multiplication here and this 4. Now multiplication and division are equally important, so we have to solve this math expression from left to right. Now 60 divided by 5 gives us 12. Now 12 times 4 gives us 48. The final answer is 48. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.